knocked the house down, that part's over. The next step, today's first day of excavation. Before we start excavating, we put our seepage tanks in. We had the surveyor here, he staked out the property. We know where the houses are gonna sit. Based off those stakeouts, we know where to put the seepage tanks. We always put it at the lowest elevation. So because of the tight job site, we're doing the tanks first and work our way forward. We got the 2 storm tanks already in the ground. We got 12 to 18 inches of bluestone. We're gonna wrap it with filter fabric and we'll backfill it. So whenever you have new construction, the town does not want all the new storm water to drain to the street or to the town infrastructure. Because everybody does that, it's going to overwhelm the pipes. So you have to contain all the storm water on your own property. All the storm water collects in the tanks. They're engineered to slowly percolate down into the soil, and that's how we remediate the stormwater issue.